Hi, my name is Sarah Servillo, and I'm a midwife here at Heaven Sent Homebirth.
And I'm Catherine Ward. I'm a student midwife here.
Today we are talking about, is homebirth messy? Oh, yes and no.
It depends.
It depends. I have to say, at the majority of the births that I go to, it is probably not messy. But what are some ways that they can help prevent mess?
So your birth kit should include some things like chucks, pads, tarps, all sorts of things that can easily catch the mess, absorb the mess, and be wrapped up and thrown away.
Right.
Water birth is actually a very easy cleanup usually.
So easy to clean up. Everything just stays in the tub.
Mm-hmm.
We have a submersible pump, so we just put a pump in there and we literally just pump out the water into a toilet.
Mm-hmm.
And then the disposable liner gets folded up, thrown away, we wipe down the tub and deflate it. Easy peasy.
So easy.
All mess is done. There is also a little fishnet that comes with your birth tub.
It's a pooper scooper.
It's a pooper scooper. So we do use that. If there's any floaties in the tub, then that can immediately be taken out. But that's not messy,
No,
right? It
everyone
doesn't
does
stay
it.
there.
Everyone
it
does
happens.
it.
You're pushing. It's actually a good thing. It means you're pushing right.
Yep.
Sorry. Some other things that you can keep on hand if you're worried. So usually with the tarp and everything, we can just throw that over a bed if that ends up being where a mom wants to push and have a baby. But if you are like, my mattress is like really important and really expensive, then maybe investing in a waterproof like mattress cover is not a bad idea. Because it's not just birth, like it can just happen with pregnancy. Your water could break. You could pee the bed.
Or your future child will pee
I
the bed.
was gonna say, or maybe your baby pees the bed. So it's not a bad investment anyway. Some other things that I would invest in are peroxide. So peroxide is amazing at getting blood stains out of just about anything, like a mattress, carpet. Yeah. So usually it's pretty easy. We just literally put that on the second we see that, maybe blood has gotten on the carpet. We put some peroxide down. But I think a lot of people think of birth and they think of it just being this like crazy messy thing, and luckily, like, yes, there's a lot of fluids involved, but it's usually contained. We also help clean up.
Yep.
So it's not usually like, oh, you had your baby, peace, sorry about the mess, it's up to you. I mean, we're not bleaching your tub, but unless it's our birth tub.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not doing some deep cleaning, but, we're definitely wiping things down. Like, we don't want you to have, this crazy mess that you've now got to clean up after you've had your baby. That's not fun.
No.
So
we're tidy.
Yeah, I like being tidy, and making sure that everything is, put away. And you'd be surprised. Sometimes you couldn't tell that anyone had a baby there at all.
100%.
The one time where I would say sometimes things get messy is fast births. So that's probably when we see the most mess is, when maybe there wasn't time to grab everything, or maybe there was only time to grab one chucks pad and stuff just kind of got past it. But that's really, the more exception to the rule. Is home birth messy? Most of the time not. Sometimes it is, but usually it's manageable. So I hope that was interesting. And we can't wait to see you next week.